Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy F23 and let me share with you how to activate the automatic system updates on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Here let's enter software information because first of all we have to enable the developer options where we've got the option connected to the automatic updates. So here in the build number, we have to find the build number and keep tapping on it until we'll see that we are in the developer mode. It will be secured with the pattern pin or password, simply your screen lock, so just enter it to confirm. And now we can go back to the general settings and scroll down again. Now let's enter developer options, and all we have to do right now is to simply find the auto update system option, which is right now in my case turned off. So in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher, and from this moment this option is active, so your device will apply the updates when it will be restarted, so you do not need to do anything manually actually. So actually this is it. This is how to enable automatic system updates in your Samsung Galaxy F23. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.